A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joshua Pascal, and I have the pleasure of being your customer service manager on board this flight to London's Heathrow Terminal 3. I would like to add my personal welcome to you all, and welcome back our executive club members and our One World frequent flyers. If there is anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated, and it must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. If you're seated in our first or Club World cabin, please take care that your personal electronic device does not get lost beneath your seat. In the event that it does, please do not move the seat and let one of us know. We will shortly be coming through the cabin with landing cards for London. Now, if the United Kingdom or Republic of Ireland is your final destination and you do not hold a European passport, then you will need to complete a landing card. However, if you are in direct transit to another international flight today, there is no need for you to complete one. If you are unsure whether you need to complete any documentation, please ask one of us. And all that remains to be said, ladies and gentlemen, is we hope you enjoy your flight with us today. Thank you.